Desulfurized gypsum is a comprehensive utilization method of desulfurized gypsum sample in flue gas. Are you curious about how the desulfurized gypsum ball press works? Clean up the debris of desulfurized gypsum ball press before starting. Fix bolts. Check whether various bolts of the whole machine are loose and fall off. Remove the load before allowing to start. 2 Desulfurization gypsum ball press test machine. First, use the point method to make the motor pulse rotation, such as no other noise. Normal operation can be started. 3 To desulfurized gypsum ball press feeding should ensure that the electric feeder uniform feeding and according to the warehouse pressure situation of the electric feeder to the best effect. 4 After the end of each shift should be desulfurized gypsum ball press silo material all used up. Shall not leave raw materials. Avoid starting with load. Finally, normal stop or emergency stop and dry the opposite order.